In this video, we will discover Control Tower, the smart process automation application that monitors and manages business process operations. Business operations users must manage intelligent automation and monitor automated operations to ensure satisfactory outcomes. Control Tower is the SPA application the business operations team uses to analyze the current state of business process execution and manage operations. Control Tower offers multiple views and capabilities. The Control Tower dashboard is the window into operations. With it, users can see business process statistics and metrics, a list of business processes and their status, and the details of any individual business process. The Design tab allows users to design business process flows using BPMN-like stencils and then monitor progress of the tasks. The Results tab shows business process progress and the completion status of workers and tasks. The Data tab shows information collected during business process task step execution. The Manual Tasks tab allows creation and management of manual tasks for future execution by users. The Workforce tab is where users manage workers and crowds. A crowd is a collection of workers that suits a set of predefined requirements. The Configuration tab offers access to a variety of settings including users, permissions, security, and others.